Okay, so we are going to understand the concept of outstanding expenses. Okay, now what are the outstanding expenses? We will first write the technical definition. Followed by that, we will have our example to make the definition more clear. Okay, it is the amount. It is the amount for which the business entity has availed the services for which the business entity has availed services to generate the revenue, but such amount is yet to be paid. Okay, so this is the most important part of the definition as well as the concept also, and we will understand the whole definition through the example. Okay, so let's assume that there is a company. Okay, IBC company. Now what it did, that it mostly operates on telephone services. Okay, so these telephone services are provided by Mr. B. Okay, who is a service provider. Now what happens, IBC company has availed the services for month of January, but service charges have not been paid yet. Okay, so what we have in our example, that we have IBC company that mostly operates, or we can say mostly dependent on telephone services, which are provided by Mr. B. Okay, now IBC company has availed telephone services of month of January, but the service charges have not been paid yet. Okay, now in order to account for such expenses, what we will have, we will record, let's say suppose the billing of January month was around $500. Okay, so these $500 will be recorded as outstanding expenses. Okay, so $500 will be recorded as outstanding expenses in the current financial year. Okay, we will write it here. So $500 will be recognized as outstanding expenses in current financial year. However, whenever these $500 will be paid, let's say suppose in financial year 2, then we will recognize them as expenses and we will charge it to statement of profit and loss in financial year 2, that is subsequent financial year. Okay, so we have derived our solution. So in the present case, that matches with choice choice A. Okay, okay, because are outstanding expenses and accrued expenses are interchangeable. Okay, so you can write down technical definition in sheet number 1, example in sheet number 2 onto your notebooks for future reference. However, the correct choice is choice A. Okay, that's all for our solution.